Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to send high quality photos via WhatsApp. So first of all, before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and if the WhatsApp needs to be updated, just go ahead and jump right into it. If it doesn't, just go ahead, and open up the WhatsApp. So I'm gonna just open up the WhatsApp after I update the app, and as you can see, you will see the interface of the app. Now, in order to send a high quality photos via WhatsApp, you gotta know that the updates now changed. It used to be before you could just go ahead to your settings and go ahead to storage and data. And from there, you're gonna see media, video, or media photo quality, and you gotta just go from there and add it to like data saver or best quality. But now they updated the app and just shifted it. So now in the newest updates, what happened is you could just go ahead right now to this chat and go ahead. Let's say for example for this chat. Now in order to upload high quality photos, just go ahead and click the plus button, click the photos, and basically start looking for a photo that you want to send as a high quality. Let's say for example I want to send this food, right? As you can see right here, you will see the HD at the top left. Okay, click on it, and here you will see media quality, right? And HD is HD quality is clearer. Standard quality uses less storage space and is faster to send. So basically, if you want to send it as a HD quality, just go ahead and select it, but you gotta know that it will take a lot of space and storage, and it will take some time, right? After you set it as a HD quality, just go ahead and just forward it to that person. It will be sent as a high quality photo or video in that case. But you gotta know that some of the photos or even videos may not apply to the HD quality, because you gotta know your video's quality. If it was a high quality, it will be sent as a high quality, but it will take some of the space inside the WhatsApp. But if you are cool with it, if you have a fast internet and all that, just go ahead and jump right into it. If it doesn't, I recommend you to use the media quality. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.